Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, we are going to model this sleeve and cotter joint using Creo Parametric. So this is the part dimensions. By using this, we need to model this rod end, sleeve and cotter. After modeling this one, we need to assemble it like this. In this tutorial, we are going to see how to model individual component, then learn how to assemble the component. First, the first component is the rod end. First, we will create this model. For that, first go to the Creo Parametric software. Now I have opened Creo Parametric. Here I am using Creo Parametric 8.0. First go to New, Part, Solid, untick this Use Default Template, save OK. Our units are in mm, choose Part Solid Absolute, Part Solid Absolute, save OK. Now we are in the first model. Before that, set the working directory. For that, go to the main session. Here there is an option called Select Working Directory. My working directory is here. I'm just choosing it. So this is my working directory. I'm choosing this as a working directory. Whatever the files I'm creating here, it will be directly navigated to the working directory. First model is rod end. So this one we are going to model it. So I'm opening this end. First one. To see the dimension parallelly, I'm just keeping this rod end left side. First one is, first we'll create a revolve tool by using this shaft. We'll create a shaft by using a revolve tool. I'm just taking a front plane, sketch view. To revolve the component, I'm going to use the datum center line. Just create the datum center line, press the roller to confirm. Then simply create the shaft. I'm just creating the first line. This line dimension is 90. Then go for the fit screen. Now I have created this line. Then create the another line. This one. This will be 90. Then come down. And this is, we can keep how much you want to keep. This is, we can keep a little bit more. Then close it. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This two line, you make it single line. Just select these two line and make it to single line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now this height we need to be specified. Here they have specified as a diameter. Then simply go for dimension. This point, this axis, this point, press here, you will get the total diameter. This one is 30. Then again, this is, we can keep some length of some 50, and this length is dimension. Select this line, press the roller to confirm. This one is 90. This length should be smaller. This diameter is 25. So similarly, just go for dimension. Select this point, select this axis, again select this point, press the roller to confirm. This diameter is 25. Now we have created complete shaft. Then save OK. Then go for revolve. It will automatically revolve about the axis. Then save OK. Now we have created this. Then we just want to make a round, which is 3 mm. Then use the round tool. Select this one. This is, make it 3 mm is the radius. Save OK. Now we have created this radius. Then one more chamber we need to create, which is 2 into 45. Here there is an option called chamber. Select this edge. It will come as D and D. Just select this arrow. You can able to see the 45 into D. The diameter is 45. The diameter is 2. and into 45. Save OK. Now we have created this shaft. Then we just want to create a hole, which is here. You can see by seeing this full dimension, we need to create a cut here with a thickness of 7.5, which is 30 mm from here. So just go to the Creo Parametric. Now select this any one of the front plane, sketch view. Take the reference. Here we can keep this dimension. Take this reference as this edge. Then close it. Then take a line. I'm going to make one line here. Just simply make vertical line. Make this line symmetric to it. This point, and this axis. Press the roller to confirm. This dimension is 30 and this height is 90. This dimension we can see it here. Yes. Now I have created this line 90. Then we just want to create one more line. Which is in 35 mm. Just select this one. Then close it. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This dimension is 35. And this dimension is, just go for the dimension. Select this line. Press the roller here. This dimension is 32. Now we have created this. This has to be modified like this. For that, press the roller to confirm. First we create one point. I'm just creating one point. This point length is 36. Then we just want to create a line parallelly. Just select this line or randomly just go for line here. Randomly click it here. Draw one line. This is a vertical line. Just select this one and delete this equal constraints. Select, then you just go for a parallel option. Select this one and select this one. Just undo it. Make this one as a parallel. Select this one and select this one. This is vertical, just delete it, then it will become parallel. Now you can able to see this line is become parallel. Now just go to the this is the coincident point. Then select this one and select this point. This point and line will get coincident to this. Then simply we just connect this one. Press the roller to confirm. Take a line. Just press connect to this one. And similarly connect to this one. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Now just remove the unwanted edges. This one is unwanted edges. Now see, the sketch is fully defined. Here the distance is 36. That is, they have defined here. This is 36. Remaining thing you just forgot it. Then say OK. Then go for extrude. Make it here as a symmetric extrusion. And total thickness of the extrusion is here you can able to see 7.5. So make it 7.5. Material removal. Say OK. Now we have created the cut. If you want to check the dimensions, you can check it. Then we can make rounds here. Now we can make a round here. For that, just go to round tool. Select this point. Select this edge as well as select this edge. Just cancel it. Then yes. Go for round. Just select this edge. Then press the control and select this edge. Similarly, press the Ctrl and select this edge, and press the Ctrl and hold, select this edge. 4 edges we have selected. All the edges, the same dimension will be applied. This radius is, here you can see 7.5 divided by 2. 7.5 divided by 2, that is 3.75. Press the roller to confirm. Now we have created the complete rod end. Now we can able to measure. Before measuring, just create a point. Just go here, sketch view. Just go to the reference, this point. This one we can take a reference and go for the point. Here we can make one and here one. Now see, we have created 2 points here. Then say OK. Now we can able to measure now. Just go to the view. There is option called analysis, measure, distance. Select this first point and press the Ctrl and select the second point. Now you can see that total distance is 36. This is what they have given here. Then just close it. Now we have created this one. Then we can save this file. Just go to the file, save as, save a copy. Now it is navigated into the working directory. Now this one is the rod end, 1_rod. It is saved. Just go to the file, save as, save a copy, 1_rod end. Just press enter. Now we have created this file. Then the second component we need to create, that is sleeve. In next video we'll see how to create this second component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.